Hey guys, here's our bird's eye view birthday card that I'm sharing with you on my blog today. Let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, so I started by using the Gorgeous Garden die to die cut the front of my card base. Then I used the liquid adhesive and lined it with the Irresistible Blooms DSP. Next I did some simple stamping. Colored up my image with my Stampin' Blends. You can see I used soft seafoam, old olive, crumb cake, and then I used the color lifter to lighten the color behind his lens. Some simple stamping of the leaves image, and then I used my paper snips to trim them out, and I eventually trimmed them out into individual leaves you'll see on the final project. Grab a sentiment that you like and stamp it on a piece of scrap Whisper White. And then we are here all put together. So I used dimensionals to pop up my images. I used the mini glue dots to put on my individual leaves, and I trimmed out the sentiment with my paper snips. And there you go.